Calculate the surface area of cuboids. So the first shape I've got here is a cube, so that means all of its faces are the same size. So let's first count how many faces I have on a cube. So I've got 1 the front, 2 the back, I've got the 2 sides, 3 and 4, the top and the bottom. So I've got 6 sides, and they all have the same size face, and it's all a square. Now, so the surface area of this cube will be 6 lots of the area of the square, L squared. So A is equal to 6 lots times, well, each side is 3 centimeters, so 3 squared. I put that into my calculator, I get 6 times 9, which is 54 centimeters squared. No, it's squared because this is an area we're working out. Now, slightly different for a cuboid because the sides are different. What I do have is I have the 2 sides here that are the same. Okay, so that's going to be 2 lots of 5 times 2. Remember that to find an area of a rectangle is length times base. Then we've got the front and the back. Well, that is 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters, so 2 lots of 4 times 2. Plus, we have the top and the bottom. So that's 2 lots of 4 centimeters, that's how long the top is, and 5 centimeters, how wide it is. Okay, let's do those sums there. So we're going to get 20 plus 16 plus 40. So add those all up, and I get 76 centimeters squared.